Well, instead of farm to table, it's roadkill to pot roast. I'm going to explain, but first I want to show you some beautiful scenery outside of Yellowstone National Park. And of course, I do have a positive thought for the day for you. Okay, so here's the story. One of my friends was driving home one night and a big herd of elk came running across the highway, and he ended up hitting one of the big cow elk. Amazingly, my friend was uninjured, but the big cow elk that he hit ended up not making it. So my other friend got a salvage tag, and we ended up, all of us, going out there, getting this elk. Took about 5 of us to drag it off the side of the road. We had a pulley in the back of the truck and got it loaded in the back of the truck. We only had to drive a couple of miles before we strung her up and processed the meat. Sad story for the elk, but happy for all of us. We got a bunch of really great meat off of her, fed about 4 families. She didn't go to waste. I took some of the neck meat and threw it in my Instant Pot and made a neck roast. Amazingly, most of the meat was not bruised, so we got quite a bit of meat off of her. We got 2 huge backstrap off of this elk. She was really big. All right, so I'm just gonna take you with me to cook up some backstrap in my trailer. Apparently that is the best cut of the animal. All right, so let's get cooking. Here's the backstrap, and I have it cut up into little pieces. Close up of it, see the meat here, and I'm gonna fry it up in my cast iron pan back here on my hot plate. See how it tastes. Here it is all cooked up in garlic, oil, and butter and seasonings. Oh yeah, that is really good. Super tender, and it's not gamey at all to me. I like it crispy, a crispy piece. I also got some tenderloin in the freezer too, and I don't know, different cuts of meat, so I'll be eating on elk for a little while, which I'm very grateful for. I have the coolest friends ever. We made a good thing out of the situation, and I would never been able to do that on my own for sure, so I have the coolest friends ever. We all made the best of it. We all got some great meat, and as always, stay positive.